guys, good morning. It is September 24th. Today is a Wednesday, and I am sitting green on the day. Not by much. I'm sitting up about $5 on on USD. I took a $10 trade. Hold on. Right here, this is my trading progress for the day. It was $11 nearly. It was about $5 worth of profit with $6 commission. So I'm on $42 of profit on the week. However, $12 is commissioned. Now, that's good growth on my account. I'm happy with that. My goal was $10 a day. If yesterday was more, I'm okay with a little less today. And I'm not willing to risk more on the day considering it's just not happening. There is a stock which just went up 200%, but you'll be shocked to see that it's just an acquisition or probably just a company, a buyout. This is probably just a buyout, and right here, yeah. So, today's just not been it. There's not been much moving. Our top gainer, SHFS, is just selling off. It went up. This would be like the front side of the move much before we even got a chance to take any trades on it. This was all through yesterday, which is great. It went from $3 to $15, which again, amazing, but it sold off all of today, so there's no reason to really look at it. LAC, the second leading gainer, this one I believe is just choppy. It has a 210 million flow. It's not something I like. Third one down, fourth one down now, YAAS, too cheap. Then JZXN. I almost took a trade on this, but I realized that it had a flow of, this was also in a crypto headline, it had a flow of 55 million shares, and I just wasn't about it, didn't like it. So when IVDA popped up at 8 a.m, I took my first trade. It was actually on this candle, right? And it might look weird on the 1 minute chart, but it did have reason, right? This went all the way up. By the time I saw it and pulled it up, it was around here. It had made this small move up, and I didn't take that. I thought it was too extended at that point. So as it pulled down, it looked like an irrational sell-off. I let it pull down. Over here, this was a red candle as well. It rejected, and then at this bottom, I bought. It looked like it was going to reverse. I bought, instantly went up to here, sold back down. So at this point, I was a little nervous because I thought that it would continue reversing down. I also thought it would break the high, which it didn't, unfortunately. In a hotter market, I guess it would have. But today it didn't, and I took my profit right around here. Right around here, I tried to take profit. I tried to sell on the ask over here. It didn't happen. So I tried to sell on the last, and I ended up filling over here, I believe. So this candle went up and down a couple of times. And when it reached around here, I took it off because I wasn't willing to risk anymore. Because I knew I was profitable, I might as well take it off the table, right? It did go up, but whatever. It happens. What can you do, right? I wish I got it fill higher, but it didn't fill me higher. So it was a good trade. I'm more happy about the process than the actual profit at a point. But yeah, slow and steady grows the account. I have no reason to rush trying to grow this account. Yeah, I have, again, it makes my P&L better by just having a green day rather than, my accuracy is high, right? 100% accuracy on these 2 days, and it's better than having a red day. I would prefer this over a red day, and it shows that my process behind taking the trade was good. I don't normally like taking dip trades on my first trade. However, this looked good. It looked like a setup which I would have been fine taking. So I took it early. Anyways, that's all for my recap. If you guys want to use this, here's the URL. It should be in the description of the YouTube video as well. You guys can find it down there, and it would help if you guys subscribed. I'll see you all for tomorrow's daily recap.